Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So do you know which country is the third largest English-speaking country in the world? Yes, the country of Australia. Yeah, Australia is the third largest English-speaking country. So today let's practice to say and write Australia in Chinese. Okay, now let's go. Okay, now first I write it in English. Australia. Yeah, Australia. Then I write it in Chinese and read it in Chinese. 澳大利亚 which means Australia. 澳大利亚 I write in 拼音 澳大利亚澳大利亚澳大利亚 Australia, which means Australia. 澳大利亚 write it again. 澳大利亚 right? 澳大利亚 Australia. Okay, practice makes perfect. See you next time. Bye bye.